Oh. It's another cloud. What kind of cloud is that?
A rain cloud.
Oh, a rain cloud.
A rain cloud?
Rain, rain, rain. Here I come. Ha ha ha. I've got lots of rain, lots of rain, lots of rain. Ha ha ha.
Hurry. We better head back inside before we all get wet.
Come on.
Quick. He'll never find us in here.
Hurry.
Wow. That was one crazy rain cloud.
Yeah. But at least we are inside now, and that's what matters, right?
Okay. Come out, wherever you are. Aha. There you are.
Hey. I have an idea.
Hey. Princess Zoe Blue has an idea. What is it, Zoe Blue?
Rain. Rain. Go away. Come again some other day.
Oh. Great idea, Zoe Blue. If we clap our hands and sing the song Rain. Rain. Go away. The rain cloud might go away. Do you want to clap and sing with us? Great.
Ooh. I really don't like that song. This song is so terrible. I got to get out of here. But I'll have you know that I'll be back. And don't you forget it.
That was fun. Let's go home now.
Is he gone? Phew. That was a close one. Wait. Did he say he'll be back?
Yeah, Kipper. We should definitely warn one of our friends about this before it gets out of hand.
Yeah. You're right, Zoe Blue. We've got to warn everybody before this situation gets worse. Will you help us? You will? Great. Hey Zoe Blue. What do you think will happen after the rain cloud goes away?
You will have to play Zoe Blue's Clues to figure it out.
Oh. I see. We'll play Zoe Blue's Clues to figure out what will happen after the rain cloud goes away. I love Zoe Blue's Clues. We're going to play Zoe Blue's Clues, also known as Blue's Clues DX, because it's really fun. Yeah. So remember, Zoe Blue's paw prints will be on the clues. Zoe Blue's Clues. Whoa. You know what we need to play Zoe Blue's Clues? Our Hyper Deluxe
Notebook.
notebook. Right. Come on.
Hey Kipper, what happened?
Well, you see, there was a rain cloud outside and it got us all wet. So whatever you do, don't go outside.
Oh, okay, Powell. I'm sorry you got all wet.
Oh, don't worry. We didn't get too wet.
That's good to hear. Here's your notebook.
Thanks, Valeria the Side Table Draw Andrew.
You're welcome.